ما سألت. هذا حكي كبار مو حكي صغار. الذل كتير والمرض كتير. الغرب قتلتنا.
It's an honor and a joy to be here with my Urdu translation of my book Sürgün, Darbadar, in Urdu, from Cumhuri Publications. I think I'm one of the privileged Turkish writers who was translated to this beautiful language. My book is talking about many things, but maybe basically human rights, kid rights. And I believe that people should be free in their countries, in their homes, in their regions, in their souls. They should be let to be who they want to be. Actually, this is what Darbadar is talking about. So thank you for printing it. Thank you for the lovely printed Urdu edition. It's a joy to be here.